What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, we have new lighting in the shop. So if you guys want to go check that out, how all this came to be, go check that video out on my channel. So we got this car in for a full transformation, guys. We're going to be doing a full Airlift 3-piece suspension install on this, and we're going to be wrapping it in the black cherry ice from Tech Wrap. So basically the midnight purple, which we have right here. Yeah, so there we have it. Look at that gloss. The gloss looks so good on it. So HD series from Tech Wrap, definitely a plus because of the gloss. Almost a Nozzle Tech quality. But you guys can see, hexagon lights look so amazing. I'm still so excited about this. Literally, these were installed yesterday, so I'm still kind of drooling over the lights. But onto this car, we're gonna start the air suspension first before anything else. He actually did cut up the wood that's gonna be wrapped as well, and then he has this mount for the manifold. He has this custom plate with RGB colors, this custom LED light up plate as well that's gonna go there. So the manifold mounts up to this like that, and so it lights up the outer side, and then this side, inside part is gonna light up as well. So we're actually gonna have the tank in the back. George is actually powder coating that in illusion purple, and then we're gonna have the dual compressors. We're gonna have probably one compressor going angle like that, and one like that, and then we'll have the manifold set up right here in the middle, and then these are gonna be wrapped in either the same color as the car or the white with the purple pearl like on my car. And then we are going to be wrapping the bottom half of the trunk as well. Gas cap is going to stay carbon. Roof is going to be wrapped in gloss black. We actually have the carbon fiber wing that's all dulled up now, and he wants that one wrapped in gloss black as well. And then the carbon fiber antenna cap is going to stay carbon fiber. Mirror caps carbon fiber. On the fenders, we're going to be wrapping them, the top section in that top section in purple, and then we're going to do just the outer lip or edge in the purple as well, to kind of give it that little contrast right there. And then IPL bumper, carbon grill is going to stay carbon, and then that middle section is still going to be black. We got everything set up right here. Rear bags, front struts with the bags, rear struts, compressors, the braided air lines for the front, and then we got a bunch of miscellaneous stuff, second compressor harness, the actual harness, air lines, manifold, SPL arms, mounts. So all this stuff is going to be going into the car. So let's get started on stripping it apart. I already took apart the wood setup that he had made. So we're going to take these tubs out, find openings for each bag. In the rear, we're going to run the air lines in the inside. So we're going to take these panels apart. Let's see if I could show you guys real quick. Open this up, and we're gonna run the wires right through here, open the carpet up, pass them in through the inside of the engine bay where the actual ECU harness comes out from for the engine, through that gasket, and then this bag was gonna run out through the cable release gasket. console right here. So we got the car back on the ground. It's going in for an alignment right now. You see that wheel sticking outward like angled. Same with this one, looks like it's inward like that. But for alignment, let's go. Add some camber to the rear. All right, so we got the car on air now. Look at that. Tiny bit of camber in the rear just to get these wheels to fit with the new tire size. And then we've got the trunk, rear suspension, trunk set up, all done up. You guys can see that purple reflection. We still got to do a little bit of the wiring for that. So we're gonna get started on stripping this car apart for wrap now and get her all done up. The new color change. Look at that. Fitting it. He's gonna get spacers for the front to kind of cover in some of that gap that you see right there. So that gap will be gone soon too. All right, guys, we are finally done with the car. We got everything done up now. So you guys can see the car is all in one color. Look at that. I love this shot, this angle right here. You can really see the midnight purple. Black cherry eyes is the name of this color, but it's technically midnight purple, I guess you could call it. But there we have it with the trunk setup done up as well. F1 diffuser. That one was a pain to put on because of the exhaust. We had to do a lot of trimming on that. And you got the ghost fade of the Gengar Gasly and Haunter. The Nismos on the air suspension. Definitely looking super mint. Look at that. You can really see the reflection right there. We got the owner of the car here. For this?
Yeah, no, actually not, dude.
Nah, never mind.
Oh my god, it looks so much fun. Oh my god. Dude, you did amazing, bro. That's fucking. I'm like shaking right now. Oh shit.